Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, if you are new to this channel and you've not subscribed, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also share this video. Make your comments if you have anything. So, let's see what we'll be expecting this week on trade. Right, we can see that our trend on 100 literally on a bullish move. So we did our prediction last week. We told you guys that we will be expecting a bullish move for the week on 100. As you can clearly see, Nasdaq 100 gave us the bullish move. I mean, if you have been following this channel consistently, seen it. But before that, I have literally done a video on Nasdaq 100. I want you guys to actually watch it, which is Nasdaq 100 trading strategy. It is actually going to help you very much. And I'm also going to be uploading another video today, which is why traders lose money as an S&P 500 trader. So watch out for it also. So watch out for it. I've done a video on how to trade Nasdaq 100, and I'll be uploading another one, which is how to, why traders lose money S&P 500 dropping it. So just check the channel, watch the video to help you. So back to our analysis, we've gotten the bullish move expecting on Nasdaq 100. So this week that is coming, let's see what we'll be expecting next. So we would have to zoom it out to see our full trend. As you can see, our full trend on Nasdaq 100 is literally an uptrend. So we had something like this, the impulse move, then we had the corrective wave, then here comes the impulse move, pullback phase, impulse move, pullback phase. We also had the impulse move, corrective, and now this is the impulse move. You can see that as we are moving, we are having a series of higher high and an higher low. Market on our full trend is actually on a bullish move, so we should be expecting or buy it. So like I said last week, we did the prediction that we'll be going bullish for the week, and markets eventually give us that bullish move. So let's see what we'll be expecting next with what we are seeing right here on this our 4-hour time frame. We will see that we are still bullish going up. We are saw something like this higher high, higher low, higher high, which took out this previous higher low. And see, this was the previous higher high, took out the previous higher high. Then here comes the higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. This is the higher low, and now we are expecting market to go ahead to give us a new higher high. You can see that market has just given us a new higher high, which is not complete. So we should expect a little bit of a move to the upside. So above all, this week we should be expecting a bullish move on Nasdaq. Right? So we are currently at this level at the peak. Yeah, this is the level. Market just broke above it, right? So we should expect a little bit of a move to the upside. So weekly time frame says we are on a bullish move. So let's roll down to the 1 hour time frame. So we will have to zoom it out also. We can also see that the daily time frame is also a bullish move. So we are still on an uptrend move. Now let's see what this daily time frame is also saying. So you can see something like this, high, higher high, it pushed up, it gave us a pullback, pushed up, came back to retest it. You can see double bottom before it eventually, pushed up, pull back, give us a new high, pull back. This is a new higher high. So what you'll be expecting as a trader is a pullback. Once the pullback comes out, then you can now help open on higher high. So our next movement is a pullback phase. So be expecting a little bit of a pullback. Once the pullback plays out, then we should be expecting a new high. Let's go down to the 4-hour time frame to understand this properly. So this is the 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour time frame has given us a new high. As we can see here, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. This was the movement we predicted last week. Market was around here, predicted it to push up, so it eventually pushed up. This is the higher low, and this is the higher high here, higher low, higher high. Like I said before, you should be expecting higher low. So once the higher low comes in, you can hop in on the buy. So this week we will be going bullish. Our Buyers for the week on Nasdaq, a bullish move. Now let's see what US30 is actually saying. So we would want to see what we'll be expecting this week on US30. So last week we also did analysis on US30. We said that we'll be expecting a bullish move, and it eventually gave us that bullish move. Like I said, to those of you who will be watching US30, you can also watch this video which I have done in the channel. Check the channel. You will see a video on how to trade Nasdaq 100 trading strategy. This video would help you also watch it, and I will also be dropping another video on why traders lose money trading S&P 500. Also watch it so you can learn a lot, and also subscribe by the way. So let's zoom it out on S30. You can see that we are on a bullish move, right? This our full trend on S30 is on a bullish move. We predicted that we'll be expecting a bullish move last week, and market gave us that movement. Now, if you take a look at something like this, pull back, a new higher high phase, a new movement, pull back, movement to the upside, pull back. The market eventually dropped as a pullback level correction wave. Then it starts trending to the upside. As you can see, it series of higher than. So our forecast and our bias on US30 stay to the upside, right? So we predicted that markets will actually go bullish last week. This what market was around here. As we predicted that markets would go bullish, and it eventually did. No, sorry, market was yes last week it was around here. We predicted that markets would go bullish. As you can see, they ended up the week bullish, right? So this week that we are predicting for, we would also be expecting a bullish move. Let's roll down to the one daily time frame. As you can see on the daily time frame, we are on the pullback level. As you can see, something like the pullback level here. This is our high. This is our pullback high, equal high that came to retest our previous higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high here, higher low. This is our higher high. As you can see, market is currently playing higher low. So once it plays the higher low finish, you should expect another movement to the upside. So above all, our forecast on US30 is a bullish move. Also have it in mind that US30 much likely to drop to tap this low. Yes, it's very much likely to drop to tap this low. So you should be watching out for this level. This level at the bottom, it is much more likely to come to tap it, serving as the support level. So if in case it taps it, have it in mind that you can now expect another bullish move. Just in case it comes, taps it, then expect another movement to the upside. So bullish move is what to be expecting this week on US30. Let's scroll down to the let's see what to be expecting on S&P 500. So on our S&P 500, to those of you that will be watching S&P 500, also watch this strategy that I did for you guys, Nasdaq 100 trading strategy. Check the channel, watch the video. It's actually going to help you out in your trading. I'll also be dropping a video on why traders lose money trading S&P 500. So also watch that. I'll be dropping it soon. Check the channel and watch it. Back to our S&P 500, we would want to go to our weekly time frame. You would have to zoom it out. You will see that on our weekly time frame we are on an uptrend move. This is uptrend move. So let's start with the movements. Impulse move, corrective wave, impulse move, corrective wave, impulse move, corrective wave, impulse move. This is the corrective wave. Now we are now having series of higher high, higher low. You can see market is now trending to the upside. So you should be expecting more movement to the upside. So that is what to be expecting weekly bullish. So let's go down to the daily time frame. We see something like this. High, pull back. You can see that market ranged within this level before it eventually broke above it, right? So you can see that there was a little bit of a range here. Let me highlight it properly for you. There was kind of like a range here, which is the resistance. That's something here, which is the support here. Market ranged a little bit before it broke above it. So now that we've broken above it, expect a pullback to just a little bit of a pullback. Once the pullback plays out, then that impulse to the upside. So I would advise you not to open on the buy yet, because this is just the high, as this is the high that has been. So expect an higher low. Once the higher low comes in, then go ahead and take your buy. So S&P 500, which is also SPI, is also going to be bullish for this week. Make sure you subscribe if you find this channel helpful. Like and also make your comments if you have any.